The biggest problem I see is that people think that they can only join TikTok Shop if they're from United States, UK, or other eligible countries. And while that's half true, by using certain methods, you can join it from any country in the world. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to actually join TikTok Shop from any country in the world without any complex setup like burner phones, US SIM cards, proxies, or VPNs. So to do everything, you'll want to use Ticomate. It's a product I built to help you solve this issue. Now, what Ticomate is basically a platform that provides you with US TikTok accounts and guides to create US TikTok accounts, get access to TikTok Shop, and create a rewards program, become a TikTok Shop affiliate, and post from any country in the world and still reach American audience. Bunch of creators have been using Ticomate to dropship their products, grow their pages to hundreds of thousands of followers, sell their products on TikTok Shop, join TikTok Shop affiliate, and like I said, create faceless content and earn from Creator Rewards program. And here's how they do it. Now, here's a little table. If you want, you'll see it on the website. So check it out for yourself if you still have any questions. But basically, you'll come to Ticomate and you'll either get one of these things: a US TikTok page if you just need an account to join the TikTok Shop affiliate and all of that stuff, a posting guide if you actually want to use that account to post content to an American audience, or lastly, US TikTok domination guide. This is basically for people who are serious about making content on TikTok and making money with it. Because TikTok domination guide actually provides you a tutorial on how to create as many US TikTok accounts as you want, how to warm them up automatically, and how to actually post to an American audience, all on autopilot. Now, this doesn't include burner phones, so you don't need to buy $100 phones for yourself every time you want to create a new account. This is all software and all automated, meaning you won't need VPNs or any of that stuff. So if you're interested in Ticomate, I'll leave the link in the description. Now, if you already solved this problem, you just don't have content or cannot create enough content fast enough, then I suggest you take a look at this video where I show how to create a bunch of content in literally minutes.